Seed mixture X is 40% ryegrass and 60% bluegrass by weight, and Y is 25% ryegrass and 75% fescue. So let's quickly write down the composition. We have seed mixture X, which has two components, the ryegrass and the bluegrass. We have 40% ryegrass, 60% bluegrass. Then we have seed mixture Y, which has ryegrass and fescue. Ryegrass is 25% and fescue is 75%. We have mixed the two, and then finally we have got some mixture. Let's assume that we are using x kg of x and y kg of y. Then finally we have x plus y kg, in which we have been given that the ryegrass is equal to 30%. So now we have this question, which can be answered actually in two ways. So I'll quickly explain both the methods here. Let me write down method number 1 and method number 2. Now, while method 2 will look very impressive because I'll be using allegation method here, and in method 1, simple equation formation. But it's important that we understand both the methods for this question. When we form the equation, then the simple logic that we work on is that when we are mixing the two things, then we have to find one common constituent, one common substance based on which we can form the equation. Here we can simply form the equation clearly on ryegrass because the question has been talking about ryegrass all the time. And we can see in the final mixture we have only the percentage of ryegrass. So the equation will be ryegrass of x plus ryegrass of y should be equal to the ryegrass in final mixture x plus y. Ryegrass in x is equal to 40% of x, ryegrass in y is equal to 25% of y, and finally ryegrass is 30% of the final weight, which is x plus y. If we simplify this, we get 10x is equal to 5y. That means x upon y is equal to 5 over 10, which is same as 1 over 2. Let's read what the question is asking. What percent of the weight of the mixture is x? So if x is 1 kg, then y should be 2 kg. That means x as a percentage of the total weight of the mixture will be equal to 1 out of 3 times 100, and that will be equal to 33 whole number 1 over 3 percentage, and therefore the answer to this question will be option B. Now method number 2. Method number 2 will be, we use the allegation method. So what we do is we write x here, y here, and once again we have to do the allegation on just one common substance, which has to be ryegrass. So x is 40% ryegrass mixture, y is 25% ryegrass mixture, and finally we have a 30% mixture. Now in allegation what we do is we take the diagonal differences. That means the difference of 40 and 30 we need to write here, that is 10, and the difference of 25 and 30 we need to write to the left. So we have to take basically the diagonal differences. And finally what we say is that the ratio of x and y will be same as this ratio. That means now we can say that x upon y is equal to 5 over 10, which is 1 over 2, and we need to find out x over x plus y times 100, that is equal to 1 over 3 times 100, that is 33.33%. So for sure, allegation method is much quicker, faster, but the basic concept lies in method 1. So it's important that we learn these two methods in this sequence. Thank you so much.